One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Day 10 of the vlog for 2020. 2020, baby. So, what are we doing on day 10? Talking to the landlord tonight to finalize the move out from here. And what that means is, once I give the notice and stuff, man, it's dire. It's at the end of the road where I'm just now giving the notices and stuff. This guy just looking at me like that. Like, what's up, buddy? So I'm gonna be giving that. I gave the notice. We're talking about it. Now we're talking about what we can do here, because he needs to buy that trailer, and he needs to buy that trailer, and he needs to buy that trailer, and he needs to buy the little motorhome here. He needs to buy all 4 of them from me and make his place so much cooler, so much more valuable, to where you get better rent out of it with covered storage and with places to stay. It's just a big freaking empty lot without that stuff. So I'd like to get rid of it, not have to move it. I've almost got stuff emptied out in the trailer. I'm gonna show you a couple more things in there. It's kind of cool. But man, it's just, tonight is the night on that. Tomorrow, me and Rich are gonna take off. Well, we're gonna get some more stuff done around here, get the Durango ready. We're gonna take the Gold Chevy and go to Montana. Tomorrow, you'll see the video of the walk around with some deals that you'll just, if you're not just crushed by them and thinking, my God, I've got to get that, then you're nutso. So, without that, all that, or whatever the heck you want to say, here we go with the video. And besides a sunny day, what I got here for you today is the daily vlog. I think it's number 10. I've been working on this trailer all day. In fact, I got all this stuff out. I'm thinking that'll fit in a Chevy crew cab pick-em-up truck. Actually, I gotta take this to the trash. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna do a lot walk around tonight that I'll be uploading tomorrow, and that'll be the video for the day. Tomorrow we'll be taking off from San Diego back to Montana through the blizzard and the snowstorm and the passes. That'll be fun. More trash, more license plates. Is a discharged cheap fire extinguisher worth anything? I don't think so. And I don't know if these vacuums are worth anything either. I got these grills here. I'm gonna pull them out and look at exactly. Yeah, that's that top piece, which can be replaced, but there's a couple dings. Dang it, I'm gonna take this to the trash. I'll be right back. Okay, I went and got my phone to where I can go through and show a couple things. And I might have showed one of them before. I don't know. This is just what I'm gonna do here. So here we go. Look at this. Wait. These are new Mercedes parts. But the part I want to show is under here. Does anybody know what these are? Look like some semi-pattern. Stinking W140 lights and a new toolkit. I showed you the caps for a G10, G20. I mean, the kind of books. Depression glass. This is Julius. It comes from the Paul Frank motorhome. Totally custom. And yeah. Even got a unicycle. Can you ride a unicycle? Oh, check this out. This is the pillows. I'm gonna try to hold this in one. Oh, man. Stinking thing. There we go. Okay, as long as I don't touch it. Look at that. That is the pillows from the Julius bus from Paul Frank. He played a lot of guitars. He had it all set up for guitars too. Look at this. Stinking Holly double pumper. Or vacuum say, I don't know. Manual say, I don't know. Bunch of these things for the Mercedes Benzes. It's crazy. Oh, this is so cool right here. Let me see if I can. No, you turn your phone off and the light goes out on these older ones. Yeah, I'm working with a Note 4 here. Let's see. There we go. Set it up like that. Watch this. That's the monkey that I'm talking about. So yeah, got that out of the bus too. Kept that, of course. Door panels. Man, they were nice door panels. Nice set. Look at the wires that came out of my Cadillac. Look at the size of these. As big as my finger. And it was all these mids. Crossovers. 4 crossovers. 4 passive crossovers. We got capacitors on this stuff, Craig. Look at that big ass capacitor down there. Got amps like crazy. I got all kinds of speakers if you need that. Look at these things. You think those are worth anything? Well, there's another one. They're growing on trees around here. This is one of the nicest subwoofers you can get. It's an OptiDrive. These things are freaking amazing. And hooked up to one of these Hyphonics amps right here. Okay, so I got a lot of stuff in here. It's for sale, except for the W140 rims and the Trans Am's rims. Okay, I'm getting it out of here. I'm getting stuff put together. I was thinking Onkyo receiver. These books, though, the Bishop method of clothing construction above Hawaii. Look at this. There's this sewing book. What is this? Making home furnishings. I mean, there's even the original Alice in Wonderland. And that's not it. There's a Disney one. And there's the original. Crazy. What are they worth? I don't know. I ain't got time to look them up right now. I'm just packing as fast as I can pack. But I'm almost packed. And I got to get to do the walk around tonight. I mean, what do you do with this? The surround is perfect. And it's actually a two-piece surround there. You could buy the centers maybe. It's OEM. It's not bent. This one's got a couple of dings in it. I bet you could hammer them out. Not me, Mr. Chrome Man. Like when you do your bumpers and stuff when they chrome it. Because that's real chrome right there. Look at all the junk. The B&M 177 supercharger? I don't know. Forced induction for the Trans Am. Okay, so I'm going to get the rest of this stuff going. I'm going to get a video made, and I'm going to do a walk around here, and I'm just going to give mind-blowing prices, mind-numbing prices. And I just want to move the stuff, and hopefully I can move it to people that I know that I would appreciate to get something so cheap. Because I'm leaving, I'm moving, I'm finalizing things on that tonight, trying to get the sun or hand out of my eye. Jordan, you've been asking me about needing to work and wanting to work, and you've been very persistent, and I admire that. That's great. For me to actually let go, I have to be the one going through this stuff. I have to be doing most of it right now. There's no way for me to even relay what I need as far as help. But once I do here pretty quick, I'll be putting it in the videos and making the shout out and seeing what's up. Third load of garbage, baby. I'm telling you what, there's a lot of garbage here. Okay, all done. Me and Richie are hitting the road tomorrow, probably in the late afternoon, maybe Sunday, early Sunday morning. I don't know which yet. But I know we're on our way back to be there Monday morning. So it's going to be interesting. That kind of vlog's coming up. And I don't know exactly how long it's going to take, what's going to happen. I'm taking that gold Chevy truck that's got the gear vendors in it. And we're taking that green Mercedes. Then I'm probably might take the Durango on the next trip and drive it up. But I'm just getting this stuff out of here and making room. And as you can see, there's a lot of room here, especially when I get that truck out of here. I mean, this side's not even got anything parked here. So what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to try to make a deal to shave my place down. The rents went up, and I can't pay it because it's not worth paying it here. I don't want to crush stuff. Some stuff I can't crush. But if it comes down to it, I'm going to have to haul it all to Montana because it might come down to where it's cheaper to haul it to Montana than it is to pay to store it. So, crazy. It's a big change of pace, a big change of the way things work around here, and the way things that we're working are not the way things are going to be working. And I literally have to change everything now. Like right now, it's dire. And I just need to make it happen because I'm not going to go in the hole to keep this crap. I'll crush it before I do that. So that's the deal. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Subscribe, mash the subscribe and the alert notification bell down below. And make sure and check it out. I'll be doing a new vlog every day and just different kind of stuff. Today's just kind of like showing you a couple dumb things and ranting about what's going to go on tonight. Tomorrow I'll be driving down the road and making a video for Sunday saying what's going to be going on and what happened. And meanwhile, tomorrow I'm going to make the walk around video right now. And you're never going to hear these kind of deals come out. I'm giving it away. I need to give this stuff away. It's gone, gone, out of here and stuff. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day or night. I haven't slept much, man. I'm just running, burning at both ends of the candle or whatever. Have a great day or night. Whatever it is, wherever you are, OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Tune in tomorrow. There'll be more. We'll talk to you.